How to add skills to your Upwork profile. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today we are going to be learning how you can build your Upwork profile and want to show potential clients what you can do by adding your skills to your profile. Firstly, open up the Upwork application or visit the Upwork website and sign into your account. Once you're signed into the homepage, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. And then from the expanded menu, click on Profile. From the Profile section, scroll down and look for the Skills option. Tap the pencil button right next to Skills, and then go ahead and add your skills in the text boxes. Search for a skill that matches your actual experience, and then choose from the suggestions to keep adding the skills. You can add other relevant skills, keeping the list focused on your strongest abilities. You can remove any outdated or unrelated skills if necessary by simply tapping on the cross icon. And then you can save the changes by tapping Done at the top right. Finally, click Save at the bottom right, and you have added skills in your Upwork profile. Keep your skills relevant and up to date as you develop your freelance experience. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.